Imagine you dial one single phone number for pizza, but it always rings the shop closest to your house, not the one across the whole country. Now, imagine the whole internet worked like that magic number. What if one address could secretly live in 100 cities at once? So here is the secret. Anycast is a way of giving the very same internet address to many servers spread across the world. When you ask for that address, the network does not pick randomly. It quietly hands your request to whichever copy is closest to you, so nobody has to remember 100 different numbers. Now remember that one magic number. Most of the internet is not like that. Usually one address points to exactly one machine sitting in one building. This is called unicast. It is simple and neat, but if that single machine is far away, your data has to travel a very long road to reach it. So why does distance matter? Every message on the internet is a tiny signal racing through cables. The farther it goes, the longer you wait. A page loading, a video buffering, a game lagging, that delay is often just your data taking a long trip to a faraway server and back again. Remember how far that trip felt. Here is a wish. What if, instead of you traveling all the way to one distant server, a copy of that server was already waiting near you in your city, maybe down the street? You would not need a new address. The nearest copy would simply answer. That wish is exactly what Anycast grants. But how does the network know which copy is closest? The internet is built from thousands of routers, like signposts at every crossroads. They constantly share maps of who can reach what. When many servers shout the same address, the routers simply pick the shortest path, the copy that is fewest hops away. So how do all those copies claim the same address at once? Each location broadcasts a message that says, "The road to this address leads through me." This announcement travels router to router across the world. Every router writes it down, so no matter where you start, there is always a signpost pointing toward the closest copy. Now that every router has a map, watch what happens when you connect. Your request steps to the first router, which checks its signpost and forwards you toward the closest copy. Router after router, each just follows its own arrow. You never chose a specific server, the path itself carried you to the nearest one. So where do you meet Anycast every day? When you stream a show or open a big website, the content lives in many caches worldwide. They often share one Anycast address, so your video streams from a copy in your region. That is why the same website feels fast in Tokyo, London, and New York all at once. Anycast also powers the internet's phone book. When your device looks up a website's name, it asks a DNS server. Giant public resolvers use one friendly Anycast address, like 8.8.8.8. Wherever you are on Earth, that same easy address quietly reaches the nearest phone book, giving you super fast answers. There is another gift here. Because users are guided to their nearest copy, huge crowds naturally spread across many servers instead of piling onto one. Visitors in Asia hit Asian copies, and visitors in Europe hit European copies. No single machine gets crushed, so the whole service stays smooth even when millions arrive. And what if one copy suddenly goes down? This is where Anycast shines. When a server stops shouting its address, the routers quietly erase that signpost and point to the next closest copy instead. Your request simply reroutes, often before you even notice. One address but many backups always ready. Anycast has one more superpower: safety in numbers. When bad traffic floods an address trying to overwhelm it, that flood also splits toward many copies around the world. Instead of one server drowning under everything, each location absorbs only its nearby share. The storm gets scattered thin, and the service survives. So is Anycast perfect? Not quite. Because paths can shift, one moment you talk to a copy in your city, and the next moment the map changes and points elsewhere. For quick lookups, that is fine. But for long, careful conversations, engineers must design things so a switch mid-chat never loses your place. So let's gather it all up. Anycast gives one address to many servers. Routers guide you to the nearest copy, so pages load faster and crowds spread out. If one copy sleeps, another wakes and even storms get scattered thin. One simple idea, the closest copy always answers, quietly keeps the whole internet speedy and strong.